try to draw out the model for this. Yesterday, I also sent a message to all your parents already, sharing the channel page. Oh, okay. This is on recording. Should I play it? Oh, maybe not. Okay. So I have shared the playlist. Okay, our class recordings and the maths lessons. So yesterday's lesson on question 6 is also recorded. Okay, Daniel? Okay? Come back and catch up on what you missed out on. Okay? Now, so today's goal is to finish this set of pressure related. Alright? Now, and I said, one important thing is to try. So as I walk around, I see some of you try to draw model. Okay, some of you, like Christabel, she tried to draw model already. Then after that, she feel like she's already able to solve. Okay, right now I'm not looking whether the answers are correct at all. I'm just looking at the effort. Okay, then there's some of us who didn't draw. Maybe for some reason you stopped somewhere, but you need some annotations. I think that's good attempt for trying. Okay, now just want to share with everyone as well. As even though I say today we finish a fraction of a meter, that doesn't mean we are like finished. Okay, because it will still come out in your review test and you'll come out at the end of the exam. Okay, and once in a while we'll take questions from the textbook. If you see from the textbook, what I like about the textbook is colorful. So you can see the color and the drawing of the models. How the fraction of the remainder is explained in the textbook. Hey! I should take a short talk. Yes, sorry, students who don't get an actually pass. The real situation in class. Right. Okay, so you can see also the methods that are shared. Similar ways that is in the textbook and how it's presented. So we will be taking, then you see this part, do and learn. There are several word problems here, all 11 of them. So if you need more practice, this is what you can do in your notebook. Like on a revision day, I want to try out this question. I'm going to do this question on my own in my notebook. And then you want me to take a look at it. I'll be happy to help you to see. Okay? And then if you feel confident enough, you say, I want to try to record the video like how you do this. I should go in. Okay, there will be the day when I plan the time when we are just doing recording in the computer lab. Okay, when we feel we are ready to do it. Okay, I think many of us are getting good with recording. Only a bit shy to see yourself on the screen. Okay, I also want to see very soon. Wait, so let's take a look at the last 3 questions. 3 questions as in 1, 2, and 3. The one on the problem solving one. Okay. Then the last one here is optional. Why? Because there's a calculator one that I have not approached. Tomorrow we are going to do the calculator set of questions. Okay. So tomorrow bring your calculator, please. Okay. Tomorrow we will be making solving problems with the calculator. Right now, these are all non-calculated questions. Okay, Ken. Okay, let me look at Christabel's answer. Over here, she says, Lydia spent 4/5 of her money on a mobile phone. Okay, based on what I'm looking at, she has 1 big unit, 2 big units, 3 big units, 4 big units, 5 big units. Okay, so that's correct. 5 big units make up all of the money. Okay, 4/5 of the money on mobile phone. So 4 units is the mobile phone. Then 2/3 of the remaining amount on the back. Hey, I didn't say whether she's correct or not. Looking at it now. And then 2/3 of the remaining. Do you think she draw the remaining correctly? So she so this was the remaining, and she cut it into three parts. And then she shaded in pink 2/3 on the back. That's correct. $60 left. How much more money did she spend on the mobile phone than the bag? Honestly, there are no equations here, Christabel. Actually, when I look at it like that, I cannot really see your thinking steps clearly. Like this is like everywhere. So I do not know, I cannot tell whether you're doing right or wrong. Okay? So it will help if you can write out some equations in steps. How do you get it? Okay? But it looks like it's possibly correct. So if I were to draw a model, okay, I'm going to go with a model drawing. So far, this first part that the model seems very nicely drawn is correct. So 4/5 of her money, so 5 units. Oh, sure. So 5 units is all her money. 5 units, that's all her money. 4 units on the mobile phone. Okay. So I will draw the 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 4/5 on mobile phone. Mobile phone. So 4 units mobile phone. Okay, so I'm drawing similarly to what she has drawn. Then the last part also same. So this part is the remainder. 2/3 of the remainder, so she cut this into 3 units. And then this is the back. Then this is left. So according to here, this small piece here is $60. It looks like that's one mini unit. One mini unit. That is the part that's left is $60. How much more money did she spend on the mobile phone than on the bag? So find the bag. This is left. So spent on the bag is 2 mini units. So that's $60 times 2, that's $120. Then try to find the mobile phone. The mobile phone is 4 big units. How many mini units is that? Right, the back is this. Okay. You see? Right. So we say this is 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, and this is 1/5. So one big unit is how many small unit? One big unit. One big unit is how many small units? It's 3 small units or 3 mini units. I call it 3 mini units because I cut it further. So if I cut this further, that means I have to cut everything else into 3 units as well. So in other words, the mobile phone will be 12 mini units. Is that okay? Yeah. And that is 12 times 60. 12 times 6, $720. So the last part, mobile phone minus bag, that's 720 minus 120, that is $600. Okay? Okay? Now there's an alternative method that is I count, this is 12 mini units, right? 12 mini units, right? So bag is bag is 2 mini units, because after cutting out. The mobile phone is 12 mini units. So their difference will be 10, no? Their difference is 10 mini units, which is 10 times 60, which is 600. This is the other way. Can you understand? Okay, sometimes you will get the full marks as well. It's just that if you accidentally make a mistake somewhere, it's very hard to check. You need to be very sure of what you're doing. Yeah. Okay, can? But the model is so nicely drawn. Good job. Can. So for those of us who tried, did you get this right? Yeah? Yes, good. Oh, you forgot the zero. Okay, quickly, next one. Okay, the next one here, we can draw the model as well. I'm moving on already. Is that okay? Okay. So the next one says left-handed and right-handed students. Okay. So first of all, the whole pupils is 12, 12. So left-handed is 5, 12. So right-handed is 7, 12. This part okay? If I would choose to do the unique clearing method, because you see, the whole is 12 units, first draw by half, then by third, so you get 6, and cut everything by half again. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So okay, so 5 units left-hander, 7 units right-hander. So actually by comparison, it says there are 276 more pupils who are right than left. That means there are more that are right-handed. So right-handed minus the left-handed, that is actually 276 more pupils. So this one's 7 units, that's right-handed. This one's 5 units, that's left-handed. So right hand is more than left hand. Right-handed pupils are more than left-handed pupils. So yes, that's right. 7 units minus 5 units, that's 276. That's 2 units is 276. So 1 unit is 276 divided by 2. 2, 7, 3, 6, 1, 6, 8. 138. Then the last part. Total number of pupils, how many units there? 12 units. Can solve already? 138 times 12. Okay, the last part you do yourself, okay? So can you see by the understanding of these units and portions, actually not that hard. If you take away the fraction, right, and you just look at the numbers and you just look at it as a story. Some pupils in the school are left-handed. Some pupils and the rest of the pupils are right-handed. There are more right-handed pupils than left-handed pupils. There are 276 more right-handed pupils. Okay, the total number. So the difference between the two of them tells you as if a remainder 276 divided by 2, 10 times 12, times 12. 1 unit become 12 units, right? Okay. Then you do your working, ah? All right, last question. See, we're finishing question on remainder. Okay. Is that okay? Okay, now we try this one. This one. The really difficult one. The remaining is a fraction. This is page 98. 4, 5? Yeah. Maybe 4 to 5 months. I'll say 4 actually is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sentences, not 4 marks. Why I will say 4? Because some of the information are still given. So here says, it didn't start with a fraction. This is a problem. It shows you money first. Okay, right. Oh, must write down. Remember the unit is pupils here, okay? The unit here is dollars, and the unit here is pupils. Okay? All right. Then here the unit is dollars. How much did Roy have at first? Okay, so it's dollar. Now, there are two methods that we understood already. One is by I can use model drawing to help, or I can do it by the formula. So these are the choices. They spent 4/7 of the remaining. Oh no, this is very challenging. Ah, very good. How come you know? Very good. That's the most important information. If you are able to pick up the correct important information, you are the first step. You are your closest first step to answering question. So you see, the first danger came here. He spent some money on jeans. Then if I were to draw a model, right? This $120, I don't know what fraction this is. I don't know what size this is. No idea at all. Okay? Alright? So to draw a model, is it going to work out? A bit hard, I only know the remaining amount is 7 units. So the remaining amount is supposed to be 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, just in case I tell you first, don't copy anything in pen yet because I may erase all of it later. This is what problem solving means. Sometimes you may think that you're on way to answering, then suddenly you realize that, hey, this is not right. You have to erase and start over. That's why this is what problem solving is all about. Trying things out. Okay, so I don't know. This one is an unknown. I have no idea what $120. How many units is this? No idea. But I only know that this is 4/7 of remainder spent on shirts. Is it very hard to see? Shall I use a pen? Yeah, but I was worried that you can't see. Can you see? I'll put it a bit bigger, okay? So I draw this $120, not knowing what size this card's supposed to be. Because it's not stated here. This is an unknown. So I wrote a question mark. The only thing I know is that the remaining amount, the leftover here, the leftover is 7 units. Okay? The leftover is 7 units. And then 4/7 is on the shirt. So say left. So where's the left? These 3 units the left. Okay? This is left. Left is 3 units. So if I match this with here, this statement, what is 3 units? 19. So 3 units is 19 of all his money. Correct? Can you understand this? Because he says here, he has 19 of his money left. So this is the part that's left. And that's 3 mini units. And he says it's 19 of all his money. So what is 99 of all his money? Yeah, okay. That will be 3 times 9, that's 27 units. Yeah, I think can solve already. I think almost can solve. I think only. What do you think? So all his money is 27 units. Is it possible to get it anywhere? Huh? Is it possible to get it anywhere? 27 units. Not yet. Oh, yes. No, no, not sure. I think so, eh. But I haven't managed to put in 120 yet. So there's something else I need to do. This one, is this helpful? It still doesn't match with 120. So it still can't get me the answer. So maybe I have to find ways to work back. So let's say I'm stuck. I don't know how to continue from here. I cannot think of how to put 120 back to this story. Then I try with the formula, see how. So according to previously, the formula, according to previously, this is say step 1, find remainder. Oops! Step 1 already cannot do. You know? But I mean, I just pretend I know. I don't know all the money. I minus $120. You'll give me the remainder. Yeah, all question mark. How is this helping me anywhere? Then I use the remainder. I find, you see how difficult this is? 3/7, that's supposed to give me 19. Huh? I want to try already. Can this solve? No! Okay, try. Erase. Okay, then we still say, oh, time's up. We haven't got to solve this. Then how? I don't know. Yeah? Then you watch the video, you cannot understand because we are getting nowhere with this answer. So Miss Lim says, tomorrow if someone can answer this question, yeah, you get an ice pop plus a frozen cone. If you figure out how to continue from here and you got an answer for this, yes, I think you would too. Okay, so you go back and try. I am saying this, this may be something I might erase. Okay, so we think of what you have and what you don't have. Okay, and try to solve. Okay, okay. Tomorrow we'll review the answer. All right, before we move on the last part of the calculators. Okay, okay. But if you feel I'm really troubled, I can't solve this. Never mind. Okay, all right. Okay. Anyway, today is a day, so I'm not giving extra homework. Okay. Okay. See you tomorrow.